So welcome on my channel. Since the weather was so nice in the last few days, a friend and I decided to go out and shoot some amazing drone pictures. To find some nice locations I am using Google Earth. Just type in your city and search for some nice symmetrical structures. So this looks pretty cool, and I think we're going to this spot as well. Now we arrived at the first location, which is a garden that was built pretty symmetrical. The drone we are using is the Mavic 2 Pro with a Hasselblad camera and the 1-inch sensor. So we are finished now at this location, and now we are trying to get some nice shots at the other spot. So back at home I fire up Lightroom, import all the shots to now edit them. So that was our video. I hope you liked it. So if it was the case, check out our Instagram, and if you want to see more, subscribe to this channel.